guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and today I'm gonna show you how to draw Hinata Hyuga from Naruto Shippuden. So I'm gonna draw a female character after a long time, and I guess my last female character was Sarada Uchiha. Also, a lot of you have been requesting for this tutorial, so without wasting any more time, let's get right into the materials we'll be using for drawing today's sketch. So first of all, we need a perfect square of 5 centimeters each side. I'm using a 0.5 mechanical pencil for sketching, an electric eraser for more precise erasing. For inking, I'm using 2 Copic Multiliners. First is 0.05 Copic Multiliner for inking thin lines, mostly for facial features, and for remaining body I'm using 0.1 Copic Multiliner, a white pen for giving highlights to a drawing after coloring, a charcoal eraser for erasing pencil lines after inking and also for dust-free erasing, and finally some Copic sketch markers for coloring our drawing. And that's all we need for drawing today's sketch. We are good to go. Let's get started. So first we'll start by drawing a curved line from top left corner of the box. This will be our face line. And at the center bottom we'll draw her chin, but a little towards the right side. We'll connect it to the face line. And on the right side we'll draw a few of her hair which are just above his face. After drawing some of her hair on the right side, we have the basic outer structure of her face ready. Now we can start filling her face features. Starting from the eyebrows, we'll start drawing it on the right side closer to the middle line of box. And just below the eyebrow, we'll draw some wrinkles above her eye. And now we can start drawing her eyes, which are going to be quite big. After drawing the outer shape of eye, we will draw the eyeball inside, which is Byakugan. We'll do the same to draw the left eye, but here we'll start drawing it from the middle line of box, where our eyebrows will be touching the middle line. And below the eyebrow, we'll draw some wrinkles above her eyes. You can also draw 2 rough lines like this going inwards to make it more easier to draw her eye. After completing the outer structure of her eye, we will place the Byakugan inside. Try to make a face line as smooth as possible because it is gonna give the shape of her face. Now for drawing her nose, we'll just draw 2 nostrils very close to the middle line of box, and just below the nostrils we'll draw her mouth. I'll also attach her hair spike to the mouth. And our face features are in place. Now let's draw the nerves around the Byakugan. Draw some random scratches on her face. And now we'll draw her left ear just above the middle line of box. And then slowly we'll start drawing her hair on the sides and above her forehead. For drawing upper part of her head, we will first draw it roughly by drawing a semicircle just above her forehead. And for drawing the shine on her hair, we'll draw two parallel curved lines just like this. We'll refine the head from above. And we'll start giving the shapes to the shine on her hair. With the help of the rough line we drew, it will be easier to draw the shines. Our head is also ready. Now for drawing the remaining body, we'll first draw it roughly with a very light hand. In this step, we'll place the body parts and also we'll give them appropriate sizes. It does not have to be perfect, but this will help us to draw the remaining body parts very easily. Before moving on to the lower body, we'll first complete her lower hair, which are swinging on the left side. I have already drawn the rough lines for drawing her hair. Now I just have to give the final detailings and it will be ready. We'll draw some more shine on her hair by using the same steps we did earlier. Our hair are also ready. Now let's move on to the body parts. First we'll try to complete her right hand because the remaining body parts are around her hand. So if we draw her hand first, it will be much easier to draw the remaining body parts. We already have a rough figure. We just need to add some more detailings with the help of the rough figure. I'll start by drawing her fingers starting from the index finger and slowly we'll move on to the right side. And finally, we'll draw her thumb. Our hand is also ready. Now we'll move on to draw her jacket, her neck and the metal protector which will be hanging around her neck. Our rough figure are already in the place. We just need to add some more detailings. First we'll draw her neck and the metal protector just below his chin. Draw the leaf symbol in the center of metal protector. And close it from below. Don't forget to draw 3 nut bolts on the left side of metal protector. And now we'll move on to draw her jacket, her shoulder and we'll complete her right arm. Our sketch is almost ready. We just need to add some more random scratches all over her body. And for the background, I'm drawing few pieces of stones and also some leaves to make it more realistic. And some final adjustments before starting to ink. Our drawing is ready, let's start inking it. For inking, first I am using 0.05 Copic Multiliner for inking thin lines, mainly for inking facial features and random scratches over her body, and for remaining body I'll use 0.1 Copic Multiliner for inking thick lines. Try to keep a paper below your palm so that you don't smudge pencil lines and your drawing is neat. Finish inking in one go, do not over ink, otherwise you'll end up making your sketch dirty. Keep calm, do not get nervous, and most importantly, enjoy the process. And our drawing is complete. It looks so beautiful. Hinata is one of my favorite characters from the series, so it has become my personal favorite drawing. It turned out really neat. The coloring, sketching and inking, everything went very smooth. I drew it very carefully. I did not want to mess it up, so that is why I did not do any mistakes. I am very happy for the background too. As you can see, I have added some small stones and some leaves which suits our drawing a lot. If you remember, this scene is from the fight between Naruto versus Pain. When Naruto was losing, Hinata comes in between to save him, and that is definitely one of my favorite part from the fight. I am also very happy with the highlights I did at the end after coloring. With the help of my white pen, it popped out our drawing even more by giving a nice 3D effect to our drawing. I enjoyed a lot drawing Hinata. It looks really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the video too. If you did, then drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. Also share this video with your friends so that more and more people can watch it and draw Hinata. If you're not part of the channel yet, then hit that subscribe button for more awesome drawings in future, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. You can even follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Ayush Pencil Art to get my latest drawing updates, and I'll be sharing the links down below, so go check them out. And that is all for today guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.